Everyone thinks the best-selling watches are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different when it comes to Suunto watches. Product number 1, PALADA Men's Digital Sports Watch. First up, we have the PALADA Men's Digital Sports Watch. Priced at just $18.99, it caught my attention with its rugged design and impressive features. If you want a reliable and affordable option for your active lifestyle, this is worth a serious look. This watch is all about function. With a case diameter of 50 and a thickness of 16, it's designed to be tough yet comfortable. It's waterproof up to 50 meters, so you can swim or shower without worrying about water damage. The multi-function capabilities include a 1/100-second digital stopwatch, an auto calendar, and an alarm function, making it perfect for both outdoor adventures and daily wear. With over 21,300 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear this watch has a following. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you like a watch with a strong presence, this won't be an issue. It's great for anyone who enjoys sports or needs a durable daily watch. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need a reliable watch for daily sports or outdoor activities. Skip this one if you prefer a sleeker, more minimalist design. For such a low price, it offers excellent value for money. Now, if the bulkiness of the PALADA bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach in terms of design and function. Product number 2, Casio Illuminator i1500WH series. Next, we have the Casio Illuminator i1500WH series, priced at $34.50. This watch stood out to me because of its impressive battery life and practical features. If you're looking for reliability and versatility, this is definitely worth considering. What's really cool about this watch is its 10-year battery life. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, so you can swim and snorkel without hesitation. It also features 5 alarms, a stopwatch, and a bright LED backlight, which means you'll always be on time, even in low-light conditions. With around 23,400 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear this watch has made a mark. Some users mention that the buttons can be a bit hard to press. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the functionality is actually pretty straightforward. It's ideal for someone who needs a reliable and multifunctional watch for daily wear. This is perfect for you if you need an all-rounder watch for daily activities and outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you want something more stylish or dressy. At this price, it offers great performance and value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who appreciate a stylish design. Product number 3, Casio Illuminator i1500WH series Alternative. Continuing with another option from the Casio Illuminator i1500WH series, priced at $23.97. It's similar to the previous model but offers a slightly different aesthetic. If you want a budget-friendly watch that doesn't skimp on features, this could be your pick. The large digital display is easy to read and the 5 alarms keep you organized. Plus, it comes with the same reliable LED backlight for visibility in the dark. Again, with 23,400 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's a popular choice. However, some people noted that it's not suited for formal occasions. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a casual watch to wear every day, this won't be a deal breaker at all. It's functional and comfortable for daily wear. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable watch for casual or outdoor use. Skip this one if you're looking for a dress watch. Given its features and price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more stylish and sophisticated, the next watch has that covered. Product number 4, OLEVS Stylish Chronograph Watch. Next on our list is the OLEVS Stylish Chronograph Watch, priced at $49.77. What caught my eye was its blend of style and function. If you want a watch that looks sharp for business but still offers solid features, this might be the one. This watch features a chic square design with a comfortable silicone strap, making it suitable for both business and casual settings. It has a chronograph function with 3 subdials to track time accurately. With a 30-meter water resistance rating, it can handle everyday splashes but isn't meant for swimming. The luminous hands also make it easy to tell time in the dark. With a 4.5-star rating from 763 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its style and functionality. However, some have mentioned that the waterproof feature is limited. But here's the thing, if you're mainly using it for indoor or light outdoor activities, this shouldn't be a concern. It's a great-looking watch that serves its purpose well. This is perfect for you if you need a stylish watch for work or special occasions. Skip this one if you need something rugged for extreme sports. Considering the quality and design, it's a great value. Now, if you're all about adventure and outdoor activities, our final watch is designed just for that. Product number 5, Suunto Core Classic Outdoor Watch. Finally, we have the Suunto Core Classic Outdoor Watch priced at $147.96. This watch truly caught my attention with its advanced outdoor features. If you're an adventurer at heart, this one is worth your consideration. This watch is packed with features like a storm alarm, altimeter, barometer, and a compass. These tools are essential for anyone who enjoys hiking or camping. It also predicts sunrise and sunset times, which is super handy for maximizing your daylight hours. With over 16,100 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it has a strong reputation among outdoor enthusiasts. Some users find the interface a bit complex. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest a little time to learn how to use it, the functionality is truly worth it. It's designed for serious adventurers who want accurate readings on the go. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor activities and need a reliable tool for navigation. Skip this one if you prefer a simple, no-frills watch. For its features and performance, it justifies the price tag. In summary, we've covered a range of Suunto watches from budget-friendly options to high-end outdoor gear. Each has its strengths and caters to different needs, so you can find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. To wrap it up, whether you're looking for a rugged sports watch, a stylish chronograph, or an advanced outdoor tool, there's a Suunto watch on this list for you. Make sure to choose one that aligns with your lifestyle and needs.